everybody, thanks for tuning in. This is Spine Ticks Pressing, and today I've got a package that I picked up off of, I think, Macari. And so we're going to do a little unboxing here, and I hope you enjoy it. So let's see what we got. Okay. See it a little bit better. Pretty secure, this bad boy. Got a nice little thank you sticker on the back. Yeah, got compressed pretty well here at the top. Let's see. Let's see how it fared. This is the first one I've received that is packed up in saran wrap. Well, it's a little bit on the sketchy side. Alright. Get all this stuff out of there. Got some cardboard pieces here. Again, a little bit on the sketchy side. But let's see. Looks like our book is fairly intact. I don't see anything going on. Looks like he's got two backer boards. And what we've got here is some Thor spec. Some Thor Love and Thunder spec. What if Jane Foster found the hammer of Thor? Thordis. So there you have it. Picked it up for 80, I think. I think I picked it up for 80 bucks. And just taking a look at the book a little bit there. I see some issues. Let's give you a little bit better angle here from the top. I know there's a lot of debate here as to which book really kind of epitomizes the Jane Foster that we're going to see in Thor Love and Thunder. And this obviously is a what if book, but of all the ones that are in the running, I think we've got like a Thor 1 from 2013. Seems to be the hot book, but this one's a little bit older, so this is the one I'm going to throw my hat into. So let's see what we got here. Let's get the playing field nice and clean. Well, there's no question about it. This has not been cleaned or pressed. Got a bit of a minor spine roll here on the spine. Spine looks great. I don't see any color breaking spine ticks. Something right there, maybe one. Spine looks pretty dirty. I see a little bit of dirt here in this bottom right corner. Got a little bit of a fold, a little color breaking fold there. but I think given what I paid for it, it's I'm pretty happy with the pretty happy with this book. Pretty happy with what we got here. Let's take a look at the back side. And back needs quite a bit of cleaning. Not sure what's going on here. A little bit of a, could be a discoloration issue. Got what looks like some marks here from staples. Let's see if we can get to the center fold. See what's going on. What is going on here? Can't even see them. Well, we'll run through the pages and see what we've got. Make sure everything's intact. Let's see what we've got here. Staple there, staple there. Really interesting. There's the center page. Well, all the pages are intact. But wasn't expecting the cover. It does almost look like the cover's glued on. And these large staples are through the center. Well, I'm going to do a little bit of research. This one might be going back. Alright, there you go, everybody. Thanks for tuning in. And have a super day.